Hello, this is Kenji, and welcome to another joyful tune in. Today, we're going to do guardian angels. So let's come into focus with this tune in. Let go of the day. Bring your focus to the breath. Come into this now moment. I am here. I am now. I am. Anchoring ground with the new earth. And begin to bring awareness into your pineal gland, your ajna chakra for a moment. Just breathe very deeply, activating your inner sight, your clairvoyance. And you're going to call in your high self to bring forth your guardian angel or your guardian angels, and ask your angel or angels to stand next to you in their presence. And you're going to simply allow. Going to begin to remember that your angels have been with you since day one of this incarnation. They have been on the earth plane before, so they know the life experience, physicality wise. And they volunteered to be like a guardian for you for your entire lifetime, including the point at which you make transition into the next realm. So let's just take a very deep breath and completely relax the mind, relaxing the body, and ask for your guardian angel to give to you an impression of their name or what they wish to be called and their presence. You can ask them to step in front of you or in back of you so that you can easily tune in. Notice what you're seeing as far as colors, forms, and shapes, so-called facial expressions, their vibration. And tell your guardian angel that you are now open to receiving guidance, that you are now open to receiving messages, that you are open now to being one with your angels. And ask them to communicate to you telepathically, as well as coming through the heart space in the form of intuitions or a direct knowing. Later on, you can ask them in meditation more of their specialty, what they are, how shall we say, good at in reference to being your life angel. And ask them to show you from the past those situations of where they saved you in a sense or comforted you in times of great need. You can also ask them later on the relationship that you two have together, past lives, other dimensional realities, etc. And you can always ask your angels to comfort you as you go to sleep each night. And always in meditation, you can invite them in. So let this feeling continue throughout the day, this connection, and trust what you get. So I hope this has been helpful for you. I wish you a very beautiful week. Celebrate life. Be of good cheer. So until next time, many blessings.